Hello there, it's Rob at Vast Motors taking this video especially for you of this beautiful 2014 MV Agusta B3 with only 5,900 kilometers on it. The price is 10,888 plus HST and licensing. The bike comes fully certified, Brembo brakes, ABS, upgraded exhaust on it. It looks like new. The bike is in absolutely perfect condition. It does have integrated tail light in it too, with signals and brake light. Look at the paint and look at the condition of it. And it has a all-in steering damper. It works. It's hydraulic. I tested it already too. So the bike is here. It is available. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. I'll be more than happy to assist you. It does have a quick shifter as well, and the battery lead just to charge the battery without taking the seat or the tank off. Thank you.